Hey friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find no copyright music on YouTube. So to find that, you want to ensure that you head over to youtube.com, and once you're in YouTube, if you have a YouTube channel, that's even better because this is how you can easily find it. You head over to youtube.com, click your profile in the upper right, and just go right into the YouTube studio. Once you're inside the YouTube studio, there is a YouTube audio library. So you scroll down and you will find audio library right here. You can click on it. This have thousands of musics, right? If I scroll down to the bottom, you can see that there's over 1260 YouTube free or royalty free or no copyright music on YouTube, right? So you can use them, right? And if I scroll up again, you can see that they also have sound effects. So you can get sound effects, and there are over 350. See, right now you have 364 sound effects that you can use for your videos. So no copyright music you can find directly on YouTube, and you can filter them, right? If you want something specific, click the search, you can type it in, or you can click on genre or title or search by name. For me, I like to search by the genre so I can see different types, so I can scroll down, and if I want, for example, R&B, I can click it. And if I want, for example, reggae or hip hop, I can do the same and click on apply. You can see it shows them as well right here. So you can listen them. Once you find something that you like, you can listen it by also clicking this play button right here. And once you like something, you hover over it and you hit the download button to the right, and it will download for you within seconds, right? And that's pretty much it.